Ha ha ha! I did it. I did it. Okay. Hee. I'm smart. I fixed it. My internet could die again though at any minute. Let's be honest. Okay, anyways, I'm in the single player build right now. It's lagging. So you know what? I say, since yeah, we're gonna switch over to the multiplayer build. Just because we can. It's time. Multiplayer build time. You know? I'm not whimming this as I go. Yes, Simo, my Wi-Fi is poopy. Oh, my desktop is on too. That's... Alright, I know, my internet... I have poopy internet. Wow, multiplayer build runs so much better than the single player build. Alright, multiplayer build is open. I don't know if anybody's in the server, but it's open. So, if any boosters are online, they can hop in. Oh! There's people. I can't hear them, but there's people. There it is. Hey guys. Well, you guys are actually on... I'm streaming right now on the HexVR account, so... Welcome to multiplayer. Shh. It's a little quiet for them, but yes. I'll turn it up for them a little more. There we go. Currently using hotspot. I actually am.
Alright, you ready to see me pop off sci-fi?
There we go. Okay. Hey, haha. My headset crashed that time. Ah, this is great. This is absolutely fantastic. Not noticing anything. It's not happening. Yeah. Anyways. Anyways. Again, didn't see that happen. Anyways. Should reconnect me to the server momentarily. I did jinx it. You're right. This is plagued with technical difficulties. I shouldn't have done this. There it is. Guys, welcome to multiplayer. These nerds are playing with the disc. Can I steal it? Please? Please, I need it. I need it. Oh, I just got juked out. There we go. Hey. 50s are a problem. Yeah, it's got issues. Everything does. That's true. The guy who made my headset did. Oh, hey, Simo.
Bro, CV1 throwing is absolute crap. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you how.
You guys can't redo the CV1 wrist flick.
Actually, you can.
I call for quest plays.
Let me see. Look, ready?
I call it the quest flick.
Look, okay.
Shit!
I mean...
I'm outside! Alright, Alright, sci-fi. So you see how slow he threw on CD1, right? Watch how it is on Quest.
Mm.
Here, give me that disc. Pass me the disc. Hold on. On that
Sci-fi, was
goal.
that you that just threw that?
I did not. Not me. I'm the one closest to the disc right now, though.
Pass me shield.
Oh, he's out.
Pass me
Wait,
shield.
where are you, Sci-Fi?
I have the disc.
Are you going best?
Shield.
Is that you?
Shield.
I missed.
That was not shield.
It's not you.
Be out there, doesn't it?
Here you go. Watch. Watch this. So you guys see Quest throwing, right? Now this is
I choose to still use his tech, but at the same time I own non-Oculus headsets as well too. Like I own an Index, I own a Vive, I own Windows Mixed Reality 1 and 2. Like, it's fine. Come here. What a shot.
Bruh, throwing on CV on site.
Are you goated?
No.
You don't have a 1v1 sci-fi?
Oh, no. I just stole it. It's mine.
When did you get that?
Are you scared?
What the?
Scary end.
Sci-fi, what's going on?
I'm playing PCVR. I don't do it often. I normally play standalone.
Oh, I'm about to
Sci,
score
Sci,
this.
what
I'm about
headset
to
are you
pop
on right
off.
now?
I'm on Quest Pro, but I'm linked in.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say that, if you're on CV1, actually, wait, do you own a CV1?
Yeah, you know I own a CV1.
Oh, try,
So,
do it on
how's
CV1, do it on CV1.
No.
I want you to see how bad it is.
No, because that requires me to pause the stream.
How's the Q&A going?
It's good. The stream crashed twice, and now there's only 7 viewers.
Oh, fun.
W.
I'm one of them.
Me too.
I'm none of them.
I have it open on my phone.
I'm one of them.
My dad's
the
watching,
stream
so
crashed once.
does he count as one?
I guess. Yeah.
Your
Yes.
dad's watching.
Oh yeah. He wants to
Wait,
support
give
me.
it.
There
Wait,
isn't
oh,
much
wait,
throwing
oh,
difference you can.
Get juked! Get juked! Get juked!
How do you get back in the map?
Oh, wait,
Get
where are
juked
you?
around the
Okay,
clock!
so yeah, you're gonna have to snap turn back in, so I don't know. There you go.
Cut!
I'm in, bitch.
Cut!
Cutting in. No. Shield.
Cutting!
Oh, you were too late, man.
Here, don't worry, we'll cut. We'll make it
I
cut.
want to try to
Wait,
trick
hit
shot
me
this
cross,
shit.
hit me cross.
Give it to me.
Wait, hit me cross.
Hit him
I'm
across,
cutting.
hit him across.
Guys.
Wait, hit me top cross technically. Oh my good lord.
It
How
glitched
did you
out.
do that?
Feels so weird. Bozos.
Alright guys, well I gotta go out there and I gotta go get the disc back.
Wait, I'm
Stream. Okay, stream. We seem to have lost the. This happens occasionally.
Don't worry.
If we all leave and rejoin, then we can get it back. Unless we want to try and figure out how to get it back in.
You got it?
I'll get it. Don't worry.
I just got juked out.
I can't get out now. Gosh dang it, bro.
We don't have the hole in the roof anymore somehow.
Now there's two guys on
Just
you.
get out like
Yeah.
this. It's that easy. It's pretty easy.
I know I had to. Oh, there you go. I'm a
Where's the
developer,
disc?
I can't seem to get it out.
Bro, how am I better than you? I ain't never played
I'm the
this
head
game.
developer. Okay, let's try and get it back in. I test this game and that's it. Did we get it back in? Oh no, it's just up there. You know,
Shit.
lacking it isn't gonna do anything.
Can I see it?
How do we get back in?
No, I can't get back in.
It's back.
Oh no.
Yo!
Stop.
Hey, it's
Help
back
me.
in.
No, crisis
How do I get
averted.
back in? Let me out!
That's
Let me
gonna
back
be for
in!
you to find out. Did you let go of it?
But I'm not good at this game.
Shit. Yeah, I take it back. I'm not better than you.
Yeah, I got in on my first try. Oh wait, where'd
Hey,
you
but
come
I
from?
got
No.
out in my
I
first
didn't see you.
try. Hey, I got out in my first try. So
It's very easy to get out.
I'm in. Shit. I was in and I got myself back out. I'm such an ass.
That sounds fun, money.
Yo,
Oh, yeah,
you
there we go. I
bitch.
see that.
Oh, 11 viewers. Let's go. We're back.
Bro, how do I get myself in here?
You kinda bad.
Not gonna lie, I didn't ask. I'm sorry for the fact, but like.
Alright. I'm gonna embrace
I'm crazy.
my pro player.
Let's see it.
hand me the disc.
I hate that
Hand me
we
the
don't have
disc.
smooth turn.
I'm about to
I
make
hate that
a
I'm
full.
also
I'm
CV1
about to
and
make
I'm
a full
attached.
court. About to make
Whoa.
a full court.
No, I'm literally about to join in the editor, then make the disc be able to be replicated when I move it in the editor, and then I will take it away from all of you.
You can't do that without making another build. It's useless.
I know. I wanted to make it. I want to though.
Your threats are useless.
Alright, guys.
We're not making another
Are
build.
you guys ready for the
To the
trick shot
game
for the
dev
century?
community.
Sci-fi. Make sure you got this recorded. All right.
We're- Oh yeah, I got you. I see you. I see you.
All right, got the disc. You stole it. Where's disc? Give me the disc.
If you can
Stop
get it.
juking me. All right.
Wait,
Are
when
you
did you
guys
get
ready?
it?
Any more?
You guys ready? You guys ready?
Interesting questions.
Hmm?
No, I'm not ready.
All right, I'm over here. Are you guys ready for this full?
Let's see it.
for
Let's
this
see it.
full
Let's
court?
see it.
I'm already.
Ready.
Full
Let's
court.
see it.
Full court. Full court, baby.
No.
Gonna
Wait.
bounce off,
Oh.
gonna
Don't
bounce
touch it,
off.
don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
So close.
You're kind of bad. You're
Headbutt,
kinda bad.
headbutt,
No,
headbutt.
wait,
Oh, no.
My turn. Okay, my turn. Wait, let me get it. I'm right here. Hold on.
The game is really quiet. Yes, I have the audio lowered. I can turn it up though.
Okay. Ready? Wait. I'm gonna hit it.
There you go.
Okay. So we're gonna go off the shield. We're gonna do the same bounce you tried to do, except different. Frick CV1 throwing.
No, what's wrong with CV1?
CV1 throwing sucks. That's what
I
happens when you
know,
throw in
but-
CV1.
Well, quest throwing's just
Ah.
goaded. I don't.
But that's
Okay,
just makes it
well,
lower. It hurts.
I am never playing this game until I figure out how to fix quest throw. I mean CV1
Dude.
throwing.
No, it's the same thing as Gorilla Tag. Since it has a, like 72 hertz compared to 90, 72 is gonna be faster technically. That's why.
Refresh rate. We don't have refresh. We don't have disc movement to refresh rate.
No, it's just
Yeah.
how VR works.
No,
It's like,
Hertz is not a VR word.
Bounce shot.
No, so
Where's the
okay,
money?
so he said it in a really weird way, but he's kind of right. So what he's talking about
Is it tracking refresh rate?
Often it's tracking. It's
Okay.
tracking, precision. He's just
Okay.
saying that
Yeah,
the
'cause, like, look,
position
ready? Wait,
controllers
let me see it.
update less often on
Wait, let me
CV1,
let me
which
see it.
makes
Let me
it
see it.
more
Oh, wait, I have it.
inaccurate.
Cause
which
like, so if
means
I were to
that
throw like this, it
between
works fine.
the
But if I were to like
steps-
fling it forwards, then it doesn't. Like if I were to throw, if I were
Able
to
for
throw
users to
like this,
separate owners to change
then it
skybox
works fine.
outline windows? Not
Back up,
yet. But we will likely be using one single skybox outline because it's going to follow the design of the game.
Position
Here you go.
refreshes left
We'll
on
just
left
gaze and jerk with
And
it.
then if I were to just
Didn't
like
they
this-
respond?
oh, that works somehow.
why can't you hold on to
Anderson.
people?
Well,
We
we're
didn't get that.
working
You
on
can
that.
push people though. You can push people.
Me and
Why can't you hold on to
Kenix,
people?
we're gonna
we're
try to
quirky
work
and
on
have
that.
our
We're gonna try to work
little
on that
shove
like either
mechanic.
tonight or tomorrow.
Fuck.
Bro, low key.
Mod support though, we don't quite know just because modding is, a very weird area. So we just don't know.
Hey,
I mean, I could answer that question, sci-fi.
if there's
No.
modding disable multiplayer,
You can't answer the question because we're not that far in development yet.
Modding's alright. It's just we're probably not
if a player has a mod, just disable multiplayer. Like in Beat Saber.
We're not.
Well, it doesn't disable
We're not
multiplayer.
an actual development studio. So that requires more skill level than we might have. So we'll get back to you on the modding question.
Talented sci-fi.
No, I'm saying you
yeah,
aren't a
you're saying we're not
studio.
talented,
Yes.
we're stupid.
Yes.
You
Wait,
guess-
die me shield, die me shield,
Sci-fi,
die me
do you
shield.
belittle us?
Die me
Why are you
shield, die me shield.
belittling us? Oh, got this.
Die me,
Don't worry.
die me.
Cut.
How many developers do you even have? I feel like a thousand.
A lot.
Really, but
Yeah,
we
we have,
we have like technically 4 active devs, and then the other.
No, we have not seen money.
Who are the
Not that
four-
I'm
who are
aware
the
of.
four active
How many
ones?
active devs do we have then?
9.5.
I'm the goalie. Active
Can you
devs, we
name
have
all-
9.5
can you name-
active
Can you
devs.
name all the active developers?
Yeah.
I can't even name all the
So
developers.
there's me, Retro. Oh wait, shoot, no, I lied. There's more than 4. He was right. So there's me, Kinix, yes, Retro. What have you done so far?
I done voice chat.
Yeah.
Also,
So there's me, Retro, Kinix, Euphoria, Galaxy. Galaxy, Blue. Me, Retro, Kinix, Galaxy, Blue.
Yeah, we're thinking about everything.
That's like 6.
Virtual.
What's so hard about voice chat?
Well,
It's just adding a couple game updates.
Bro, my internet's dog.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not that hard. It's not that hard,
voice
bro.
chat isn't hard, but I'm also doing all the playfab stuff, which is I'm gonna be doing
Yeah,
all
he
the
will be doing
accounts.
that. Bro, okay, wait, when you do that,
games.
wait, okay, retro. When you do that, let me know, because I want to watch, because I want to learn how to do it, because I've never done it before.
Oh yeah, playfab, you can watch me set up.
Hold on, I have a question.
That's key. Also, wait,
Why
playfab
does all
is,
this
are we
shit-
gonna...
Why did all this shit
Yeah,
look like
let me-
sci-fi? And that disc is just a normal metal disc.
Because none of the
I mean,
textures in the arena are done.
I mean, like, what?
None of the textures in the arena are done.
Pass me. Whoever has the disc, pass me.
Where are you,
I
where
got
are
me.
you?
What are
I'm
the
center
textures?
wall.
Has been for a month and look at where we are. Yep.
Kinda
wild. Disc speed is linear now? Pretty much. Oh, I just hit my microphone.
I got
Yes.
you back. Oh. Hit me again.
No.
Hit me again.
No, really, what,
Oh. Oh, I missed it.
What are- what
No,
are
I
the
got-
textures
I
gonna
got
be?
you, I
What are
got
these
you.
made out of? What
What's
are these
the
made out of? What are the
what?
textures?
Their colors.
Pixels.
Okay, but what are they gonna be?
That
Like
is
metal,
classified.
concrete?
Classified. You'll never.
Classified, but look at
Come on, I
never
said
know.
no.
but just look at the disc and that's what the color theme is gonna be.
I'll give you money if you tell me.
No Patreon yet. We don't want to promise anything that we can't.
At me, and then I still won't tell you.
Well, obviously,
No
I find
Patreon because we don't want to have you guys pay us and then us
You want
have a
something?
promise.
There.
Let's see.
hey,
There's only one room you can play in right now. Yes, because we don't have a big server, but we will be
Wait, try and
upgrading.
score on me. I'm gonna go. Never mind. You
Hey,
cleared it.
what are the
Hold
characters
on,
gonna
I'll
be?
get this.
Floating
I'll get
computers?
this. Don't worry. I'll get it.
What are,
Yeah,
what are the characters gonna be?
bro's about to launch himself. Oh, there you go. I launched. I got 8.
No, really, what are the
Meters.
I can get up
Aren't
to
you a
like
winner?
12.
Flatline, what?
Alright.
Oh my god, my internet's having a moment.
One's disc. We're gonna play Trennis,
Everything
guys.
I did the tunnels between an
Yeah,
arena.
we're
Yeah, no, a lot of these angles are gonna be
Play
removed
Trennis.
because they're
Guys,
actually
come
in
on,
the
we're
way.
gonna play Trennis.
Have
You're
fun
on.
with that. I'll stream it.
Give me.
Alright.
Orange
alright,
You
Alright,
should really add player grabbing so you can do the super speed.
Yeah, well, yeah, we want to. We just haven't yet.
What are you doing? Hey.
Alright, get down.
This
We're playing
dude's trying to go
Trennis.
crazy. Okay.
Alright. Alright.
Why are you turning it up? Okay.
Alright.
Tennis goes hard, especially when you can't throw it fast. Oh, I thought he was on my team. I thought
That's
he was
my
I was
point.
like-
Yes, actually, the
Okay,
robot
no,
head
not
is
like-
something that we do want to keep. It won't be a player model, but
Okay,
it will be a
okay,
mechanic.
okay.
I think it's adorable. You gonna do OnlyFans? Yes. There it is. That's it. You got it, Waffle. Job simulator character. It won't be the main. It won't be the character design, but it will exist somewhere in the game. Does the beta have online? Yes. So Maxter, if you are a booster, you get access to the online servers. Just because we don't want to have the servers be overloaded, so we're just kind of putting it behind a small wall of boosters. So everybody in the server right now is either a booster or a dub. Any plans for social lobby? Yes, we are currently building our social lobby. We're modeling it out and getting it ready for Unity. How many servers? I think we have one main server, but it's not exactly like the size of the server. Like how many servers? It's more of how many players we could fit on a server. Yes. No, we're not. After trying to notice how much bigger the goals are. Yes, the goals will likely be smaller. It just kind of happened when we were resizing the arena. They got a little larger. Goals will likely be smaller. Right? Subscriptions, we need to get a full blown server room. Everybody has to donate $500 million per month. You got any launch rings? Yes, we are. It might not be exactly like Echo, but it will definitely be a launch ring style thing where you have a little launch inside of this tube. This tube specifically. Hex-shaped goal? Maybe. It's a possibility. Is the game going to be free or cost? So we're not quite sure. If anything, it will. If anything, if it costs anything, it will be going directly into the game developer, not really our pockets as like being a profit. So if we do have cost, it's for servers. If we don't, it's for it's free to play. If you pay money for it, that's great, but it's gonna be a good bit of time before we make that full decision. Just because we don't want, we don't want to promise anybody anything. Hello, sorry, the stream can't hear you. I'm just in here talking to them right now. Have you were you grabbing something similar to be added? Yes, we're already working on it. It's partially working now, but not like perfectly. Get into the pad. All right. Yeah, hold on to your money. You can keep it now. Buy important things. We're just gonna work on making a base game first, and then we'll get onto that. Good morning. No, somebody said your name, so I just kind of read it out. Sorry. Let's see. Let's get back into the arena, shall we? As seems like Doom like Doom guy from Fortnite. I feel like I might get copyrighted for that. I don't like losing. I don't like when companies email and go, "Uh-oh," or Goku. No, buy Simo. Goku. That also seems expensive. Nope. I'm being what? Anyways, Goku. No Goku. Sorry. There is a bit of a stream delay. I do apologize. It's actually a big stream delay. I'm really tired. I worked today. Damn, missed. Still got the money in. Well, if we do make it paid, then keep your bank ready. So my internet's dying a little bit. So how long has this been in development? A week and a half. Hyper. It's been a week and a half. No, not 30. No, we started basically the first of this month, so it's been about 14 days. So 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. I don't know what alt VR is saying. Everybody thinks this has been going on. Yeah, do not use drugs. Thank you, awful. And obviously, there's still a lot of work to go. Like, just so much. Look at the disc, breaking itself over there. Oh yeah, that's completely. Yeah, that's what we like to see. Legal drugs. Talk to your doctor. There you go. Now the server's on. Now the disc has good servers. Yeah, I think everybody else left the server, but I'm still in the online server. So if anybody boosts and join, say hi. NyQuil. That's a good one. Use it to sleep. Bam! Shot W. Thank you, Tycoon. Oh, I got a weird message on my phone. Data warning. That's interesting. Yes, currently it is actually available on Quest. So if you go to the testing channel in the server, there is a side quest link, and you can just download it straight to your Quest. Of course, you need a developer account and all that, but those are easy to make. Somebody joined and left. Called on Quest, so it's not on the Quest store. It's on the side quest store, but you can just search on side quest, Hex space VR test. But I recommend instead of doing that, you follow the link in our Discord in the testing announcements channel, and there's just a link straight to the side quest. But it's not available on the Quest store. You have to do it on side quest specifically because we're not partnered with Meta or anything like that yet, or at all. Hopefully, thoughts on development? It's developing quickly. How's throwing? It needs work. I'll admit. It's good for a base of like 2 weeks of work, but the throwing is definitely a bit goofy sometimes. Hello. Can't steal it from me. Don't steal it. See, yeah, throwing. It's either I can't figure out throwing on PC or it just sucks in general. So I'm just gonna go it sucks and I don't, throw. Thoughts on you, Thick Waffle? Moderation. Be Talk Waffle. There you go. I'm rubbing my controllers together. I'm tired. Oh. Does ever open source copy and paste throwing mechanics? No, that would not be legal. Would not be legal whatsoever. So we maybe try to help model it similar, but the odds of that going open source are slim to negative. Thoughts on pigeons? I like birds. Really, even if there are things open to the Alex, you weren't already in there? Come on. What's up with that? Jeez. Welcome to the server. Dude's having a whale of a time. No, my controller's disconnected again because Quest Pro is a good headset. Nope. One hand is better than no hands, so I'll take it. Or a lobby toy? Don't take Echo Throwing, please. It's so bad on Quest. I mean, Echo's Throwing is honestly really advanced. I give them credit. It's pretty good. Pardon me as I restart my right controller. Arena looks small. It's just Stream. It's actually larger than Echo Arena's Arena. It's bigger. Hello. Oh, don't glitch it out. Don't glitch it out. Don't do that. There we go. Got tracking again. Wider as well as longer. Definitely wider. Length? It's probably similar. I do think it's longer, actually. I do think it's longer. Hi, Shining. Hi, Dragon. Hey, Shadow. Yeah. It's hard. It is very hard to tell without geos, I will admit. It's better in VR, though. What's the tab the game is in? What do you mean? It's just on my computer. Ask one question, what buttons are mapped? So, it's pretty much the same as Echo's mapping. It's actually almost exactly the same as Echo's mapping. It's left trigger, left stick push down for boost. Right stick for turning, smooth turn, even though we don't have smooth turn. Stuns are actually mapped to the trigger, and they do work. It just doesn't do anything in game yet. As well as hand thrusters are mapped to B and Y on both respective controllers. Back to soloing. Right now we're going to be having to fix a lot of the network things for that. So in our game specifically, soloing's a bit hard to deal against because there's an issue with networking. But over time, we will fix it. The other custom map, we're looking into it. We're using OpenSR inputs, so in theory, yes, it can be custom mapped. It would just mean that we'd have to add that functionality. So hopefully, I am not opposed to it. I think a couple things should be mapped differently in Echo, and I would like them to be mapped like this in our game. You'd have to add a Nugget. What's wrong with Nugget? I like Nugget. I anchor off a Nugget all the time. Oh, I'm actually really good in Echo at going against Solon, so take that as what you will, but I always get it. You're downloading it now? Amazing, Alex. No, it wouldn't be that we change mapping, it just means that you can change your own mapping if you want to. Well, maybe be better at Echo Shining. Fun fact, my Quest 2 right hand actually just doesn't work at all, it doesn't have tracking. Tell me your secrets? I don't have secrets. I have many secrets. Shh. You want to talk about VRSL? Well, hopefully VRSL is a good season this season. Because, I don't know, I'll play. Let's hope it's active. VRSL is sponsored by HexVR. It's not. I'm not getting the money. But, I don't know. Maybe when Echo goes down, VRSL can swap over to HexVR. There you go. If we're done. If we have a finished product by then. Good shot. AJB, we do not right now. It's all coming directly out of my pocket for things like that. Once we can promise a product, then we will do funding. But until we can promise a product, I don't want to open like a Patreon, promise, different, or Patreon GoFundMe and just being saying oh yeah, if you pay this much, you get this much in game. You get this tag, you get this this battle pass or whatever. It's I can't promise that. So, it more or less depends on what we think we can accomplish, and if we can promise that we will have at least a functional game, then we will open something up like that. How do you know Meta won't still attempt to sue? So I have people I know who are, industry people who have told me as of right now we should be fine. So I'm going off of that. And as well as we are not making Echo Arena 2.0 or anything like that. We're not going to be copying the style of Echo. The style of the game is going to be completely different. The game mode might be different. We're going to have more game modes. Really, if they want to sue over the fact that zero gravity plus disc, then that's up to them. But I don't think they'd win that case. If you see something, because even the idea of alternative would be something like Discord. Yeah, again, if we make something good, then we'll open up supporting for that. Payment, whatever. Right, we have to be able to make something first. We want to make sure we can make it. Maybe. my hopes are high, but I want to temper everybody's expectation. That's my main thing. I don't want to, like, I know certain other groups have been able to promise other things and no, like, have tried to promise things and no hate on them or anything like that, but it's just, things might not always work out, so I don't want to overpromise. The future servers, do you plan to make larger games, 66 or 10v10? That's definitely a discussion I want to have and something I want to do. I know I've talked to a couple pro players, and they think the idea of a 5v5 in a larger map could be a lot of fun, so I definitely want to see if even a 5v5 is something we want to do. Upload custom avatars? Very difficult. And we want to try to have a specific visual style to the game, so it's more or less just how we would be able to do that as of right now, because Quest is a very aggressive, like, you need very aggressive, like, management on Quest avatars and stuff like that, so until now, right now it's likely no, but never know. Hopefully. What are there other groups? Yes, there are. I've talked to basically all of them now. There's Echo Replay, Reverb Arena, and a couple other ones reach out to me. They're private. We have talked about getting together, talked about working together, and it's always come up as a no, unfortunately, because everybody has different views for their game, as well as, different game engines or things like that. Visual style. So if you know the TV show Arcane, we're kind of basing it off of that, like, graphical style. So for someone like me that doesn't have coding experience, is there anything we can do to help you? Right now, just be in the server, test it out when we come out with tests, and then tell us how you feel. The biggest part is the community for Echo. So the more the community we have on board, the better. I don't want to force anybody to, like, do anything with, like, server invites or whatever. So, like, no, like, I don't want anybody to just invite people because they think that they're gonna get, like, rewards or anything like that. But of course, word of mouth, having the server, be popular with the community, that'll always help. A big partnering with one projects like Replay and other things like that. Yeah, no, we're unfortunately won't partner with Replay. Replay is doing Unreal 5 and we're doing Unity, so really the skill set just doesn't even align. Yes, I know the chat is delayed. Sorry, because this is one of many. Not all are going to come to this. It's true, and it is again unfortunate that there is a lot of different projects, and the community might end up split up. But at the same time, it's not necessarily about just making something that the entire community come to, but it's also just making a good game. And when views don't align, we might not be making the same game that we might think is a good game. So we want to make the best game we can make, and I think, our crew has the vision in mind that we want, and we'll work on what we want. No. Hopefully everything's gonna be. Yeah, I am. The stream crashed. Actually, it's just strange because my internet's working. Oh, there we go. Stream. Hello? Okay, laggy. That's fine. I'll take laggy. Partnership again. I've been correspondence with a couple different leagues, and hopefully something good will come from it. Yeah, my internet probably took a poop, but it didn't probably disconnect, so we're fine. Next time my internet disconnects, I'm just gonna end the stream. Sorry. This is the old arena course we're adding to soon. Yes, we will. Is that you, Peter? Am I? Oh, hey, Peter. But yeah, my thoughts on HexVR, it's sad, but, you know, community will always be together. Hello, I'm streaming right now, sorry. They can't really hear you guys, but I'm going to be talking to them. Is there voice chat? Yes, there is, Alex. I stream audio for my desktop audio turned down, just to make this easier for everybody. Peter Parker? It's a little laggy, sorry. Frame rate's not the best right now, and neither is the connection, but we're working on it. See, we wanna lock it at 90 FPS. Just like Echo. Is y'all from other places location based? A little bit. It's not as precise as Echo is, but it's location based. It does have spatial audio. The room is made for beta testing. Yep. Finally made it look different and better. It's rough draft. Yep. 100% Peters. Peters designed our arena and everything around us, and he's super chill and an amazing guy. Pitch and roll at some point, 100%. We're already working on it. Can't play without pitch and roll. As well as no snap turning. Smooth turning is better. Personal disk? We had one a while ago in one of the earlier builds. It's not here right now. Doesn't mean it won't happen, and we just don't have it at the moment. You play standalone? Yes, Son of Malice. So on our Discord server, if you're not there, join. In test announcements, we actually have a side quest link. That's the main build that everybody's able to play. So that standalone version is single player right now. There's a multiplayer standalone version and a multiplayer PC version right now. For boosters only, we're keeping the multiplayer stuff in a booster only section so we don't overload the servers. Top tier fine. Launch tunnels are being worked on, yes. Server 10, why have it load? They have 4 pods. Because we were just testing stuff. It's not really a model of what we're going to be doing 100%. It's just kind of a model of, well, we're going to put this here right now so we have a full arena. All we need to make it bigger. I don't have the exact number off the top of my head. No, you cannot top. Have a good dinner, VR. I'm probably gonna eat soon too, but yeah, still looks like soon teleporters. It does look like that. It's funny. Yeah, it's up. It's the only one. Does the score actually work, or does random numbers? Top, could you go and put a score in on whatever side you're on? I will show you. It is not random numbers. It's just kind of a number that changes whenever there's a threshold there. So whenever somebody gets a disc, my game is a little laggy right now. Doing amazing. Thank you, Mike. Yeah. No, they don't. They're just blue. You guys are doing amazing. Now, let me turn on the in-game audio. Appreciate that so much.
Here, look up there.
You guys put a score in? Put a score in for me? That's not a score. Where's angle? Yes, we're gonna be adding those settings. We hope to be able to add them. There it goes. You put a score in, number goes up.
Oh wait.
Audio's cutting out. Yeah, that's likely. My internet isn't the best. It sounds good for me. I'll just turn it down for now. But there's in-game audio. If it's my actual physical audio, I apologize. I grab the disc, it will stop lagging. Unfortunately, I can't grab the disc. No, everybody's different colors. I don't know which one you are. Might be my part. Yeah, okay, the video could be lagging. Again, my internet's a little iffy right now. I'm trying to get it fixed, but yeah. is they're going to be launching to the pods. There's going to be a launch thing out of the tunnels. Asynchronous. That's a factual issue. They can't hear me. Stream. Possible. Oh, that's cool. Anyways. Top is just better at the game. Okay, anyways. Any more questions? Because I might be ending it soon. I'm hungry. You answer my question. We love it if we're using asynchronous for production. So right now, no, we are not. My screen doesn't like the word asynchronous. There it is. It could be my screen and JB. I can answer it on the Discord. Just ping me. Alright, I think that should be fine for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the Q&A and all that. You can ping me right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the Q&A and all that. I really appreciate you all coming out, checking out. Hope you enjoy what we have so far, and yeah, be active in the Discord. And we hope that we can make you something that you really like. And we'll talk to you all later.